Amigos de Zona Peluquería, hoy en esta masterclass de Toni & Guy estamos con la señorita Effie Davis, una hairdresser, una peluquera increíble que nos ha maravillado en el escenario con todos sus trabajos. Buenos días, Effie.
Muchas gracias, Martín.
Bueno, gracias Effie por darnos esta entrevista. Y queremos preguntarte, en 6 meses has venido 2 veces a Argentina. ¿Cuál es tu opinión de cómo la has pasado aquí?
I absolutely love Argentina and Buenos Aires, and every time we come here, basically, we're just having such an amazing time. Argentinians know how to have a great time, and I absolutely love the fashion as well and the edge that the Argentinians have. It's fantastic.
Yo quiero preguntarte acerca de si crees que la mujer argentina es más clásica que otras mujeres en el mundo, como puede ser la mujer de Nueva York, la mujer de Londres, la mujer de París.
I do not think so. The client that you just described, it's a client that is everywhere in the world. It doesn't matter if you're in New York, in Paris, in Italy, in London, or in Buenos Aires. This type of client is everywhere. It's up to us, the hairdressers, to actually educate our client and keep referring to do new things and new styles. And that's when the client's gonna really see that you basically you care about the way they look. You want them to do that change, which is great. And that's how you're gonna build the rapport. They trust you because you care about the way you look. And that's where all these seminars are coming in, and that's where the education is so important when it comes to hairdressing.
Una cosa que nosotros vemos cada vez que los encontramos en un escenario y admiramos es ese uniforme que no pasa a ser un uniforme, sino tiene que ver con un uniforme de moda.
Yeah, so, basically, we are in an industry that all eyes are on us. Hairdressers automatically are in the fashion industry. And that's where hair is the ultimate fashion accessory, the way we wear it. That's what we create. We design hairstyles, and that's all of us hairdressers. So it's very important to maintain your individuality. It's very important because that's who you are. You're true to who you are. When you talk about fashion and you talk about edge, not just on stage, but with your client as well, about the modern lines, you need to look the part in order for them to buy it. Because if you think about it, how I'm going to sell to my client, or I'm going to make you look fashion edgy when I'm not.
Es por eso que lucen tan fantásticos cada vez que los vemos.
Oh, muchas gracias, Martín. Thank you very much. That's very kind.
Algo que quiero preguntarte, ¿cómo ves la calidad de estilistas que tenemos aquí en Argentina?
I think it's very good. Absolutely. The hairdressers in Argentina are very good, and they've got a fantastic flair about them. It's all about just bringing that fashion edge and that cutting edge within the industry, and that's what we really want to do.
¿Y qué le agregarías en cuanto a cómo ves la peluquería aquí en Argentina para que realmente sigan creciendo y asombren a todas sus clientas?
So, it's not a matter of adding, it's all about having variety. It's very important because you did mention about classic hairdressers. We need those classic hairdressers, and we are classic hairdressers at a point because we need to portray and see our clientele because we've got classic clients coming through. But it's very important to actually adapt to that individual, that fashion edge kind of client that's gonna walk into our salon and they want the latest cut. It's like you're going into the shop and I want to buy a new dress, or you want to buy a new suit that is the latest line of what's happening in fashion. Hairdressing is exactly the same.
Toni & Guy es una empresa de 450 salones, más de 5.000 estilistas y empleados en todo el mundo, y realmente lo que valoramos y lo que vemos como increíble es cómo logran ustedes inspirar y comprometer a cada uno de esos empleados para poder mantener el estilo y la identificación de la marca y lograr esa satisfacción y esa ilusión lograda con cada clienta o con cada cliente que se sienta en cada sillón para que ustedes lo asombren y pueda contagiarle esa inspiración, esas ganas por el cambio a esa clienta o a ese cliente.
Well, first of all, the way that you describe the way the company is, it's all about because we have the continuous training and continuous inspiration. We get inspired from each other all the time. It's all about talking the same language when it comes to hairdressing, and like I said earlier, it's covering all those aspects from classic to the cutting fashion edge. And when it comes to me, when you ask me, it's like, how do I inspire other people? The reason, I don't know the answer. I don't really know the answer because, to be honest with you, I love what I do. I feel so lucky to be doing what I'm doing. Because within hairdressing, as hairdressers, we can make somebody, feel fantastic about themselves just by doing the hair. Or we can be a part of the fashion image that we create when it comes to a look. And I don't think many people can say that, they do something that they love so much and they actually make the client feel, like that fantastic other than hairdressers. And if you love what you do, straight away that's quite contagious, isn't it? And let's just make sure that everybody just feels really happy about what they do. That's the atmosphere, that's the vibe.
Amigos de Zona Peluquería, a no perderse los tips que nos va a dejar Efi en nuestra página para poder realmente convertirse en unos peluqueros diferentes, en unos estilistas que puedan asombrar cada vez que tengan delante a una clienta o a un cliente y sobre todo a que puedan disfrutar más de esta profesión que amamos y que ustedes aman cada vez que eligen cambiarle y convertir en reales estas ilusiones que traen las clientas y los clientes a los salones. Efi Davis, muchísimas gracias, ha sido un gran placer para mí conocerte, verte en el escenario y disfrutar de esta nota.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you for having me.
Amigos, seguimos con más en esta Masterclass de L'Oréal, entrevistando a todo el equipo de Toni & Guy y maravillándonos con estas personas increíbles que nos han visitado. Muchas, pero muchas gracias, Efi.